Have you ever looked at your Samsung home screen and thought, man, this looks kind of boring? Well, what if I told you that you can freely move, resize, and even tilt your app icons however you want? Just like this. Let's dive in and I'll show you how to fully customize your Samsung One UI 7 home screen. So first, I went to the Play Store and installed Good Lock app. But since my Samsung device doesn't support it, I decided to use Fine Lock instead. It works exactly the same. After opening the app, I searched for a module called Home Up and installed it on my phone. Once that was done, I opened Home Up, turned it on, and made sure the home screen option inside it was also activated. Now, open the home screen menu, and here activate app icon settings and also the DIY home screen feature. Perfect! Now, go back to your Samsung home screen. Tap and hold on an empty area, and you should see the DIY home screen feature appear. Tap on it, and boom! Now you can start customizing. You can move your app icons anywhere, resize them, and even rotate them however you like. For example, I'm going to arrange my app icons to spin around my moon-themed wallpaper. Looks kind of cool, right? You can even add stickers if you want. There are tons of fun options you can play around with here. And that's it. Super easy, super fun, and your home screen will look exactly how you want it. So yeah, who said your home screen has to look like everyone else's? Go ahead, get creative and turn your Samsung into something that truly shows your vibe. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves customizing their phone. See you in the next one.